Hello guys, welcome back to Malindo Toys. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, how are you today? Today Uncle will show you new toys. Some new toys for you. Wow, this is so many toys in here for you. Okay, let's explain one by one. Okay, what is this? Wow, this is excavator truck. Wow, excavator for dig a hole, for take the soil from the river to the land. Wow, this is car excavator. Wow, excavator car. This is wow, very cute. This is new toys for you guys. Wow, car excavator. In the real life, car excavator is like this. Okay, and the next is wow, fire rescue. Fire rescue is for to turn off the fire. Wow, this is firefighter. Wow, this is fire rescue. Wow, this is the big truck. Wow. Usually in the real life, firefighter truck is like this. Okay, and in the next is wow, what is this? This is mixer truck. Wow, mixer truck. Wow, you can see here. Wow, very detailed like the real truck. Wow, this is mixer truck. Mixer truck is to bring the cement to the new project, to the project of road, project of home, apartment, and another project. Wow, this is mixer truck. In the real life, mixer truck is like this. Okay, and the next is wow, what is that? Very funny. Wow, very cute truck. This is dump truck. Wow, this is dump truck. Oh, you can see here. This is dump truck for bring the goods. Dump truck. Oh, this like this. Can see here. Oh, teet, 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 teet. This is dump truck. In the real life, dump truck is like this. Okay, and the next is wow, mixer truck, same with before. Okay, mixer truck, and the next is wow, what is that? This is fire rescue truck. This is to bring the people from below to the up, like this. This is to bring the people from below to the up. Wow, to the upbuilding. This is for firefighter, fire rescue. Wow. In the real life, this truck is like this. Okay, the next is, wow, this is truck. This is forklift. I think this is forklift, but the hand is losing. It's loose. This is forklift. Wow, very cute. In the real life, forklift is like this. Okay, the next is, wow, truck. Oh, this is same like before. This is truck, no truck, but this is forklift. Forklift to lift the goods from below to the truck, to the container, and another place, or to the rack. To the rack. Okay. The next is, wow. What is that? This is ambulance. This is helicopter ambulance. But the glass is already broken and the rotor already broken also. Sorry, friend. Wow, this is the helicopter. Helicopter for rescue. Wow. The color is very, very good. Okay, and the next is, wow, wow, this is cat pilot. Wow, wow, this is cat or bird? Oh, I think it's bird, huh? This is bird, not cat. Wow, bird driving the airplane. Wow, bird drive the airplane. Wow. Okay, and another kinds. Wow, like this same, huh? Not same. Wow. Oh, not same. Wow, different, friend. This is red and this is pink. This is girl and this is a boy. Wow, this is bird also. Wow, bird flight. Very funny. Wow. Okay, the next is, wow, what is that? Firefighter. Firefighter. Wow, this is to shooting the water to the fire. Wow. This is water gunner. Wow, to shooting water to the fire. Wow. You know what is this name of cartoon? I think uncle you already know. Wow. Okay, the next is, wow, this is truck. I think this is a dump truck, but the box is already loose. Oh, this is truck. Wow. Very handsome truck. Wow. And the last is, okay, what is this? Wow, this is the derrick or towing. This is for towing car or towing another vehicle. This also can lift up the goods or lift up the car. This one. This is car lifter or direct or towing. Wow. This is towing car. Okay. The next is, and the last, wow, this is mixer car. Wow, mixer car, but the have of van. Wow, mixer car, but have van. Are you sure? Yes, this is van. Wow, like this. You can see like this. Wow. You can see here. Wow. Very, very cute. Hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, friend. Hi. Wow, this is mixer car, mixer truck. Okay. Oh, this is a battery. Okay, friend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, Malindo Toys. So we are already review and already spill the new toys for you. Wow, so we have so many toys in here. In the next video, Uncle will spill for you another toys. Wow, so many toys in here. Okay, friend, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.